today we're taking a look at a very useful thing that we promised to make a video a long time ago on, and it is a 27-inch touchscreen that gives us all sorts of options for doing shows. On the side here you've got USB-C input and a USB-C for display, and you also have a USB 3.0A, an HDMI input, and a power switch for the internal battery. So on the other side we've got IEC connection, and that can be used to power it, or you can actually utilize using this while it is hooked up to the power. So we'll go ahead and open it up and show you what it's all about. So it is a 27-inch touchscreen that is matte finish instead of being gloss, which is very useful outdoors. So we have it set up to where we can quickly get to mixing station. We'll go to it, and we're already logged into one of our consoles over here. So we'll turn it up. And you can see we're moving that fader. One of our YouTube videos. And with our particular setup, we kind of made one that is for us. You can actually touch a channel, and once you've selected the channel, you can go easily into USB. You can also send effects. We've got it to where we have 4 different effects that are easy to get to. All of our DCAs are on the side, sub send. These are typically labeled MC mics, but we don't have our particular show pulled up. But very quick to be able to operate off of a touchscreen, which has been fantastic. So once you get all of this set and ready to go, and you go into true mix mode, we can rotate this, and it automatically allows you to have different channels the way we have the layout set up. So then we can have a ton of channels ready to go and to mix in this aspect ratio. So we'll switch back. And yeah, you can do it a lot lower to where it's not as obtrusive and blocking your sight. But then once you're over here, all sorts of other things you can do. If you wanted to end up adding a ton of channels, this can handle it very well. If you did this on a typical iPad, it would just be overwhelming, and we'll get back out of that. But that's still not terrible on this with a ton of channels. So you could pretty much lay out your entire show how you wanted it, get to things very easily. So other things that this is useful for is we have got iPad that's just shooting some information, and it's over here through USB-C. So all sorts of Blackmagic devices and Hollyland devices that will allow you to share seeing what a main preview screen is being seen. So at any point then you could just go through, look and see what's going to be the next thing coming up, or if you needed to see for some reason video of the stage, and then you can very quickly just go back to mixing, which is nice. So the other thing is very useful for is this. You can use our link in the description to purchase. And it looks like my 7-year-old daughter wrote this, but that was actually me. I tried pretty hard. So it can do multiple gestures at once if you want to. I don't know if you can on the paint, but you can definitely do it on mixing. So if you ended up having 2 channels selected, you can do up to 10. It gets a little bit tricky whenever you're doing 10, but it definitely does. If you need to have 2 hands on a few faders, you can make that happen as well. Also useful for watching or on YouTube. And then that's the Hollyland view, which we could hook up, but we'd lose network connectivity to it too. There's our YouTube. And I don't think we got ours pulled up anymore. Oh, Whistling Diesel, Tanner's favorite. I see a smile. What else can you say about this?
It's really convenient for work or travel or fun. The speaker system in it is pretty good. There are a bunch of air casting to it wirelessly if you need to show something for a display or whatever. If you're setting up a booth or anything, you would have a lot of your products on rotation. View Director is good because we do a lot of swapping on our Alphatron HDMI over IP, and we've got all of our RCF and Behringer mixers on here.
And you can see the refresh rate is pretty quick too. No flickers on the camera.
And then under the screen you have compartments. This is big enough to hold the IEC charger. This one has USB-C to C, so that you can quickly pair your phone or laptop. And this one has a remote that comes with it, and you can do mouse gestures and stuff, and open apps, volume up and down, home screen, and use it kind of like a portable TV, smart TV.
It's been very nice for what we've been using it for. And the other thing that's amazing is, I don't think it actually shows you, but we're at 100%. And maybe if you drop it down, it will tell you how long. I don't think it does, but we've definitely made some 10-hour shows on this. Now, of course, that's with keeping in mind not having the brightness crazy and all sorts of other things to try to keep, oh, look at the magic touch. But keeping us from having a lot of wasted energy. We don't ever use the speakers. We're pretty much connected on this. We do have it in a dark mode, and we try to make it to where we're not just wasting time by having it up when a band is not on stage. But if all else fails, a very small battery bank can replenish this super quick. So hit that link that we have in the description below to purchase this, and it'll help us out a lot. And please hit like and subscribe, and have a great day. Folds up easily, and there's a case. Easy to walk away. Looks like you're doing something important. So we have some bonus footage of somebody that wanted to make a cameo in this video. She knows how to operate it. Do you like it?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
American Girl.
There you go.